Hello everyone, my name is Canoodles, and in this video I will be attempting to make a tie-dye resin skull. This is the silicone resin mold that I will be using in this project. The epoxy resin that I'm using for this project I got from Michael's, the Canadian craft store, and it is a 1-to-1 ratio resin, meaning it's 1 part to 1 part. For example, if I do 5 mils of part A, I will do 5 mils of part B. For this project, the first resin pour that I'm doing, I used about 280 mils of resin total. So divide that by 2 and you get your part 1 and part 2 amounts that you need to mix together. Once your casting resin has been mixed, it should be a smooth and runny consistency like shown here. For this attempt at making the tie-dye effect, I decided to split my resin into multiple different mixing containers and then add a little bit of alcohol ink in different colors to each batch of resin that I had split. Here you can see me failing at trying to get my camera to focus. I can't get it to focus. Oh my god. Come on. How did these YouTubers do this? This popsicle stick refused to be picked up. To make the tie-dye effect, I attempted to pour in all the different colors all at once. Shadow wanted to say hi. I'm using a lighter to pop the bubbles. I swear I'm not trying to set my project on fire. Another way to get rid of bubbles is to violently slam your project against the table. The color's really nice and colorful, and now it's just like a poop brown now. Check out this awesome tie-dye. Isn't it perfect? "12 hours later." After letting my resin cure overnight for 12 hours, I'm going to be taking this gold mica powder and brushing a little bit of it on top of the already cured resin. Don't forget to bang the brains out. After banging out the leftover mica powder, I'm going to be adding gold flake to my resin and then pouring it on top of the cured resin layer that I already had. I can't get the freaking lighter to work! The second layer of resin is looking a lot better than the first layer that I did. Finally, all the resin is cured, and you can watch me fail to take it out of the mold. Here's what the final project looks like after 3 days of work. If you are interested in getting a custom resin skull, check out my website in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more of these awesome resin videos.